In this video, we're going to learn how to sketch the major trig functions, so sin x, cos x, and tan x. So we'll start with y equals sin x. So we draw a pair of axes, and we label them as usual. So this is y, this is x, that's the origin. And then starting from the origin, it goes up to -1, and then down, sorry, up to 1, and then down to -1, and then it goes up to 1, down to -1, and so on. So the pattern just repeats forever in that direction. And then for the negative x-axis, it would go down to -1, up to 1, down to -1, up to 1, and so on. So it also repeats forever in that direction. So the maximum value of the graph is 1, and the minimum value is -1. Now, the tricky part is remembering what goes on the x-axis. And there's actually a mnemonic technique you can use to remember the values for the x-axis. So if you look at this shape, that looks like a semicircle. And we know that a semicircle has 180 degrees. So that would be 180 degrees at this point. And then when you go through another semicircle, so when we go through this semicircle and get to this point, that would just be another 180 degrees. So this point would be 180 plus 180, so that would be 360 degrees, and so on. So this point would be 540 degrees. And then the same thing happens for the negative x-axis. So this is -180, this is -360, and so on. And that's how you sketch the sin x graph.